Did you know that most millionaires don't live in mansions or drive flashy cars? Surprising, isn't it? We've all been fed a narrative about what it means to be a millionaire, haven't we? We imagine private jets, high-end luxury cars, and sprawling mansions. We picture the millionaire as someone with a Rolex on their wrist, sipping champagne on a yacht, and living a life of sheer opulence. But what if I told you that this stereotype is often far from the truth? That's right. The book, The Millionaire Next Door, by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko, unravels the true nature of millionaires, and it might not be what you're expecting. The authors, through their meticulous research and in-depth interviews, reveal that the typical millionaire could very well be your next-door neighbor living in a modest home, driving a second-hand car, and diligently saving and investing their money. Contrary to popular belief, most millionaires aren't indulging in extravagant lifestyles. Instead, they're frugal, they're cautious, and they're excellent managers of their wealth. They understand the value of a dollar earned and a dollar saved. They prioritize financial independence over materialistic show-off. They know that the key to wealth isn't in spending money on ostentatious displays, but in understanding the art of money management. They don't inherit their wealth, nor do they win lotteries. They build their wealth slowly, steadily, and surely, often from scratch. They're not necessarily high-income earners, but they're high-net-worth individuals because they save more than they spend and they invest wisely. So, you see, the real millionaire might not be the person you see flaunting their wealth on social media. It could be the person living in the house next door, quietly accumulating wealth while living a life of simplicity. This revelation forces us to reevaluate our notions about wealth and prosperity. It challenges our perception of what it truly means to be a millionaire. So, prepare to have your mind blown as we delve into the surprising habits of real-life millionaires. Wealth isn't about spending, it's about investing and saving. That's the millionaire mantra. Now let's delve into the frugal habits of millionaires, a key aspect often overlooked in the glitz and glamour associated with wealth. In the riveting book, The Millionaire Next Door, by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko, they reveal that many millionaires are, in fact, cautious spenders and avid savers. This might come as a surprise to many, as we often picture millionaires living lavish lifestyles, splurging on luxury cars, designer clothes, and grand mansions. But the reality is quite contrary. Many millionaires live in average neighborhoods, drive modest cars, and prefer quality over brand names. They understand the value of money, and instead of spending it frivolously, they choose to invest it wisely and save diligently. They follow a budget, cut out unnecessary expenses, and prioritize their financial goals. This is not to say they do not enjoy their wealth, but they do so sensibly without jeopardizing their financial security. A common trait among millionaires is their focus on long-term financial independence rather than short-term gratification. They are aware that every dollar spent today is a dollar less for their future. So, they adopt a disciplined approach toward their finances, making conscious decisions about where their money goes. They are not swayed by societal pressures to maintain a certain lifestyle. Instead, they live within their means and build their wealth steadily. This frugality extends beyond personal expenses. Millionaires often run efficient businesses, minimizing waste and maximizing productivity. They apply the same principles of frugality and efficiency to their investments, ensuring they get the best returns possible. What we can learn from these frugal millionaires is that wealth accumulation is not about earning more, but about spending less and saving more. It's about making smart financial decisions and maintaining financial discipline. It's about understanding the difference between wants and needs and choosing to satisfy the needs first. So the next time you think about splurging, remember, a penny saved is a penny earned. Embrace frugality and you'll be on your way to joining the ranks of the self-made millionaires. Contrary to popular belief, most millionaires are self-made. They didn't inherit their wealth, they earned it. Now that's a thought to chew on, isn't it? The common image of millionaires as silver spoon babies isn't accurate. In truth, they've ascended the rungs of success through relentless effort, shrewd choices, and persistence. So, let's take a time out to appreciate the phrase self-made. It signifies someone who's built their wealth from the ground up, a testament to their resilience, grit, and unwavering determination. They've sailed the stormy waters of the corporate realm, confronted innumerable obstacles, and ultimately prevailed. But what's their secret? It's no magic trick or complex science. It's a concoction of discipline, commitment, and a sprinkling of audacity. They kick off by identifying opportunities within roadblocks. Risks don't frighten them, but they take them tactically, understanding possible results and readying for them. Their investments are wise, not solely in enterprises or shares, but in themselves. They're lifelong learners, staying ahead of industry trends and shifts. They harness the power of knowledge to their benefit. They also respect the value of time, understanding that wealth accumulation is a marathon, not a sprint. Instant gratification isn't their game. Instead, they consistently work towards their goals, one step, one day at a time. Today, they sow seeds for a fruitful tomorrow. But likely, the most significant trait of self-made millionaires is their mindset. They trust in their ability to failures don't dishearten them. Instead, they perceive them as stepping stones on the path to success. Setbacks don't define them. Instead, they utilize them as fuel to forge ahead. So you see, becoming a self-made millionaire isn't about luck or inheritance. It's about grit, shrewd choices, tenacity, and a positive mindset. It's about taking the reins of your destiny and molding it as you wish. So don't await a windfall. Begin constructing your wealth today. Being a millionaire isn't just about having a lot of money. It's about having the right mindset. The millionaire mindset, it's a fascinating concept, isn't it? It's not about living lavishly or flaunting wealth. Rather, it's about understanding the true value of money and how to make it work for you. Millionaires approach money differently than most. They see it not as a means to live day by day, but as a tool to build a secure and prosperous future. They don't work for money. They make money work for them. They invest wisely, understanding that calculated risks can lead to significant rewards. This mindset also involves being comfortable with taking risks. Millionaires understand that the path to wealth is rarely a straight line. It's filled with twists, turns, and occasionally steep falls. But what sets them apart is their resilience. They don't see failure as a dead end. Instead, they see it as a learning opportunity. Moreover, they are always on the lookout for opportunities. They see potential where others see obstacles. They don't wait for chances to come to them. They go out and create them. They don't see a glass ceiling. They see a sky full of possibilities. Another crucial aspect of the millionaire mindset is patience. Building wealth is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about consistent growth over time, not overnight success. They understand that wealth is built slowly, and they are willing to wait for their investments to flourish. And finally, they have a strong sense of purpose. They're not just motivated by money. They have a vision, a goal that drives them forward. They understand that wealth is not an end in itself, but a means to achieve their dreams and make a positive impact on the world. Remember, wealth is a mindset. Start thinking like a millionaire, and you'll be one step closer to becoming one. Becoming a millionaire isn't a destination, it's a journey, and it begins with financial independence. Financial independence sounds pretty good, right? But what does it actually mean? It's not about having stacks of cash to throw around or a fleet of luxury cars. No, financial independence is about control. It's about having the ability to make choices about your life without being held back by financial constraints. Think about it this way. When you're financially independent, you're not living paycheck to paycheck. You're not worried about how you'll pay the bills if you lose your job. You're not trapped in a career you hate because you need the money. You have the freedom to pursue what you truly love, and that's a powerful thing. But how do you achieve financial independence? It's not about making a quick buck. It's about consistent, disciplined action over time. It starts with financial education. Understanding how money works is crucial. You need to know how to budget, how to save, how to invest. You need to understand the power of compound interest, the importance of diversification, and the dangers of debt. Once you've educated yourself, it's time to put what you've learned into action. Start saving, start investing, make your money work for you. And remember, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. But it doesn't stop there. Financial independence is not a one-time thing. It's a journey that requires continuous learning and adaptation. The financial world is always evolving, and you need to evolve with it. You need to stay informed, stay disciplined, and stay committed to your financial goals. Remember, every dollar you save, every investment you make, every financial decision you take is a step towards financial independence. And financial independence is the first step towards becoming a millionaire. Financial independence is the cornerstone of wealth. Start your journey today, and who knows, you might be the next millionaire next door. Ever wondered who the millionaires in our society are? Well, you might be surprised. It's not always the people driving the fancy cars or living in the mansions. In fact, the majority of millionaires live very ordinary lives. They are the millionaire next door. These are the people who have achieved financial independence not by inheriting wealth or winning the lottery, but by consistently living below their means, saving diligently, and investing wisely over a long period of time. They are the embodiment of the saying, "It's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep." They understand the power of compound interest, the importance of diversification, and the dangers of debt. They are not swayed by the latest financial fads or get-rich-quick schemes. Instead, they stick to tried and true principles of personal finance. They live frugally, save consistently, and invest wisely. They are disciplined, patient, and committed to their financial goals. And guess what? You can be the millionaire next door too. All it takes is the right mindset, the right knowledge, and the right actions. Educate yourself about personal finance. Live below your means, save diligently, invest wisely, and most importantly, stay committed to your financial journey. Remember, becoming a millionaire isn't a race, it's a marathon. And with persistence and discipline, you too can cross that finish line. So, who's ready to be the next millionaire next door? Start your journey today. And remember, every step you take towards financial independence is a step closer to becoming the millionaire next door. Closing. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the secrets of millionaires, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on wealth building.